welcome back to CK Siblings. And today we went to the Maldire thing. If you don't live near us, you probably don't know what that is. But we also went to the store, and we were like, it's probably gonna be okay and stuff like that. And I'm like,
And they
Trey,
ended up
there
having
might be
a
puppets. And
load.
didn't I say there might be puppets before?
Yes, you did, but they had a buttload of fidgets.
So we each got two. And
they were
we'll show
gonna be
you again.
opening
Let us know
them.
who do you think got the best fidgets.
Yeah.
So I got this pack of puppets and a spinner right here, and I got this puppet perk thing.
I got this planet. Oh, I mean, what did I say planet? It's just like you know, like a country, the country and stuff. And yeah, it's super cool.
And I also got Scorpion. So who got a better stuff? Me or this will be the thumbnail. You have your stuff ready? All right.
Let me go
You
get
got
scissors.
that. Or whatever. I have scissors right. You got. Can I have it? No. Actually, mine's zipper.
This is in my message bench list.
I love it.
That's like what is it called? The Squid Game one. And then I have.
And there's a triangle. I think this might actually be
yeah.
Squid Game.
And these.
And then I also got
Yeah.
these.
Okay, now my turn. I'm gonna pop this. This is
Wait,
quiet side.
can I do this real quick?
Yeah.
That was the quiet side. This is the loud side.
And this,
good, right?
this is my quiet side.
No, Dad, he's making. I need to.
Now this is the loud side.
He's been a bad boy.
I realized I can turn this into a dimple spinner.
Listen to this. Listen to this. That's a nice pop. That's a nice pop. Yeah, that's super satisfying. So now let's open.
No, I'm not ready yet.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
going to show you how this can make a spinner.
Oh yeah, you can like put all of them on it.
And they're not hard to put on at all. Can you spin it for us? Spin it.
Mm-hmm. It works. It works.
It works.
And then you can.
And then you can put these on. You get the idea.
So now let's open up our little thing.
No, they're all good things. This one's just
Yeah.
better.
Yeah. Well, my favorite.
I need the scissors. Oh, never mind. Oh, and I got a little pineapple.
Oh, this is so cool. Quiet side.
There's actual pineapple on it, if you can see.
It's hard to see.
Can you see
Yeah.
this? Okay.
You can like, you can barely see. So.
And it came. Wait, guys, look. It came with a strap.
Oh yeah. So guys, this is my quiet side.
Can I show you mine?
I'm gonna do my loud side. Ready? Guys, listen to my loud side.
That's quiet. That's good.
That's very good.
But I personally like what I got better. So ready? This is quiet.
That's it.
They're trying to listen. That's the quiet side. This is the loud side. That's pretty good, right? Do you agree with the quiet and loud?
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
And guys.
But anyway, we'll see you next time on CK Siblings.
Bye bye.